Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to place a test order on your Shopify store using Stripe test mode. First, log into your Shopify admin panel. From the left side menu, click on Settings. Now click on Payments. In the Shopify Payments section, find the Manage button and click on it. If you have an active plan, you will now see the option for test mode, but if you are on a trial, you will only see the bogus gateway option as a test mode. Open it and activate test mode. This puts your store into testing mode, so no real payments will be processed. Next, open your online store in a new tab. Choose any product from your store and add it to the cart. Once the product is in the cart, click on Checkout. Fill in the customer details like email address, shipping address, and any other required information. When you reach the payment section, you need to use a test card number. For a successful test transaction, enter the test Stripe card number in the fields until the form is complete. You can use any future expiration date and any 3-digit CVV code. Complete the checkout process as normal. After placing the order, go back to your Shopify admin panel. Click on Orders and you should see the test order listed there. This confirms that your checkout and payment flow is working correctly. When you are done testing, remember to turn off test mode so real customers can place real orders. Thanks for watching.